Hi everyone! Welcome sa channel ko. Ako nga pala si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. At today, pag-usapan na natin sa wakas yung Google Pixel Watch as well as the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Dahil sa wakas, dumating na sila sa akin dito sa Pilipinas after pre-ordering them straight from the US. Siyempre, babahagi ko rin sa inyo kung paano ko na-order to from the USA papunta dito sa Philippines after this quick unboxing video.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Alright guys, so that was our quick unboxing ng Google Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch. Very quick unboxing talaga dahil sobrang minimal lang ng contents ng box, lalo na ng Pixel 7 Pro na meron lang phone and the cable as well. As to be expected, wala pa rin tayong charger. The same with the Pixel 6 series from last year. Alright, so dahil dalawa yung pag-uusapan natin, unahin muna natin yung watch. So the watch, I've been using this since I unboxed it today. As in, ngayon lang po talaga to. Kaka-unbox ko lang po ng phone and ng watch. And so far, so good. The number one thing that I like is yung looks niya. It's very sleek and elegant looking. Although the watch face could be bigger pa sana. Pero wala na akong reklamo. Kitang-kita naman yung digits and very readable naman lahat ng contents dito. Pati na yung mga messages sa akin from Facebook. And siguro, number one sa mga nagustuhan ko is that I can finally reply sa mga messages sa akin from Facebook directly or even sa SMS. Now, bago pala natin ituloy yung usapan, babahagi ko muna sa inyo kung paano ko napadala tong Pixel phone and the Pixel Watch dito sa Philippines straight from Amazon US. So, what I did is I registered sa Kango Express PH dahil meron silang warehouse kung saan pwede mong i-forward yung mga binili mo from Amazon papunta doon. Now, ang kinaganda po dito is usually mas maliit po yung babayaran natin na shipping expenses as well as the taxes. They handle all of the taxes. So, hindi na natin kailangan makipag-interact pa with our local customs offices na alam naman natin minsan mahirap pagkatiwalaan. Hindi naman po sa naninira tayo but it is the reality. So kahit nasabihin sa atin ng mga balita na pwede na tayong umorder from Amazon US straight to the Philippines, I would still much prefer na i-forward yung mga items ko to shipping forwarders like Kango Express. Itong Pixel 7 Pro and yung Pixel Watch ko dumating sa Kango Express warehouse sa Amerika noong October 18 Philippine time and then dumating naman dito sa Philippines October 27 and nakuha ko October 28. Dineliver nila mismo dito sa address ko dito sa Philippines. So kung gusto nyong bumili directly from the US, mapa-cellphone man yan, laptop or maybe even a TV, I would highly recommend na contact nyo yung Kango Express and ask them about their services. Anyway, balik na muna tayo sa usapan natin, yung Pixel Watch. Yung una kong experience with this one is akala ko mahihirapan ako sa pagtanggal and pagkabit ng strap until I found out yung proper way ng paggawa nun. So apparently, you have to press this button right here bago mo siya ma-unlock. And then pag ikakabit mo naman, yung mismong strap, ipipress on mo dun sa button and then you just slide it to the left. And that's it. Sobrang dali lang po pala niyang i-attach and detach. But like I said guys, kaka-unbox ko pa lang and kakagamit ko pa lang talaga as of today. So wala pa akong gaanong experience na mababahagi sa inyo. It's just that I would like to tell you na napaka-premium po talaga ng dating nito. And although I have read and seen reviews na medyo mababa yung battery life nito, I still have hope na sana naman hindi ganun kalakas yung battery drain. Anyway, I'll try to do a review if makita ko na maraming magre-request. Otherwise, I'm not really in a rush to review this. I just really wanted to use this for myself. However, what I will be reviewing po talaga is the Pixel 7 Pro. So ito po, 100% guaranteed gagawa natin to ng full video. But for now, pag-uusapan lang po natin yung dapat nyong i-expect with the Pixel 7 Pro. And number one on that is that this is not a specs beast. So what I'm trying to say is that this is a flagship phone pero hindi po siya meant to be an overall beast pagdating sa specs tulad na lang ng Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or maybe the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. So hindi po ito sagad-sagad sa performance, hindi po ito sagad-sagad sa specs. What it's aiming for is to give you the smoothest experience in an Android phone. Kung napanood nyo yung launch event ng 7 series ng Pixel, you would have noticed na hindi nila binanggit talaga or hindi nila idiniin yung performance ng chipset. So wala man lang gaming test, hindi man lang nila pinakita kung how much of a powerhouse this new chipset is. So ang gamit nila dito is the new Tensor G2. So this is a 5nm fabrication na chipset. However, this one is manufactured by Samsung. So malaki ang similarities nito with an Exynos chipset. And ipapakita ko agad sa inyo, ito na po, ito yung CPU throttling test niya and hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, hindi po maganda yung resulta niyan. So obviously, nasa yellow, green, orange line po siya. So that means hindi niya na may maintain yung performance niya and umiinit po talaga siya. So nagsa-throttle talaga yung chipset na to. So this is not meant to be powerhouse gaming phone. This is meant for casual use na pang-gaming on the side. So that's already a warning para sa inyo na naghahanap ng powerhouse na phone that this is not gonna be the phone for you. Hindi po sila nakikipagkompetensya sa specs ng ibang mga phones na flagship dahil kung ganun ang kalakaran nila, well, madali lang pong sabihin na lalagyan nila to ng Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 or maybe an 8 Gen 2. Pero alam naman natin hindi ganun ang nangyari. May sarili po silang agenda and ito nga po ang ibigay sa atin ang smoothest experience on an Android phone, which I think they've succeeded naman so far from what I've noticed dahil napaka-smooth po talaga, 120Hz refresh rate, LTPO, and yung Antutu benchmark niya, umabot naman tayo ng 700 plus thousand Antutu benchmark points. That's still very high. Flagship level pa rin naman po yun. Although, of course, may mga phones na tayo na pumapalo na ng 1 million. So, medyo kung ikukumpara mo talaga, medyo napag-iwanan siya in terms of raw power. Pero isa lang talaga masasabi ko sa inyo guys na kung hanap nyo talaga is a super smooth user interface on a phone, stock Android experience, dito nyo lang po talaga mahahanap yan on a Pixel phone. But setting aside yung smooth user experience on an Android device, another thing that you can always expect from a Google phone, maaasahan nyo rin talaga na meron tong napakagandang computational photography. What that means is that maganda ang image processing niya. So nabanggit ko kanina na hindi po nakikipagbakbakan sa specs si Google. And that is why hindi man lang nila binago yung sensor na ginamit nila from last year. Hindi man lang sila nag-upgrade to a Sony IMX766. But imagine if they did. Pero grabe pa rin maasahan nyo na camera performance dito dahil hindi lang po nila ino-optimize yung sensor mismo, bagkus, ini-enhance pa nila lalo. So, yung computational photography, that is where all the AI comes in. So, dito natin makukuha yung algorithm ni Google pagdating sa pag-image process niya ng photos natin. And one of the best features this year that I'm excited to try is yung unblur. So kung last year sa Pixel 6 series, ang hinighlight nila is yung Magic Erase tool kung saan pwede mong i-erase yung mga tao sa background mo. This time, unblur naman ang highlight nitong Pixel 7 series. And makakaasa kayo na iti-test natin yan para malaman natin kung gimmick lang ba to or it's an actual useful feature. At syempre guys, dahil Pixel 7 Pro ang kinuha natin, meron tong 5x optical zoom and excited ako ipakita sa inyo yung kakayahan nito mag-zoom in pagdating sa photos as well as sa videos. So lahat po yan ipapakita ko sa inyo. So abangan nyo lang po talaga yon dahil for now talagang kaka-unbox ko lang nitong Pixel 7 Pro and I was just so excited to tell you all about this phone and paano ko siya nadala dito sa Philippines and also kung ano nga ba yung pwede nyong i-expect. Na bago ako magpaalam sa inyo guys, merong 3 bagay na dapat yung malaman kung bibili kayo ng Pixel 7 Pro from the US to the Philippines or from any other part of the world. So number 1, yung warranty. So wala pong official warranty dito sa Philippines because this is not officially released here. So kung gusto nyo magpa-warranty, you will have to take the product back to where you bought it. So kung binili mo to from Amazon US, you will have to ship it back to the USA. And then kung habol mo naman is 5G, hindi po activated yung 5G ng mga local SIM cards natin dito. Meron pong 5G ang Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 7, but again, hindi mo magagamit yan dito locally in the Philippines if you're using a local SIM card. And number 3, kung habol mo ang voice over LTE or Wi-Fi calling, hindi mo rin po mapapakinabangan yan. Although meron pong workaround sa kawalan ng 5G and kawalan ng Wi-Fi calling and voice over LTE, and that is to root your device. Pero pag ni-root mo naman yung device mo, mawawala po yung warranty and you will have to update your device manually pag merong mga major OS updates. So ito yung mga bagay na dapat nyo i-consider talaga bago kayo bumili ng Pixel 7 series or maybe even the Pixel 6 series. But anyway, bago natin tapusin yung video, iiwanan ko kayo ng mga sample shots and sample videos na nakunan ko in my short time of using the Pixel 7 Pro. So enjoy, and hanggang sa susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Panoorin nyo na lang muna yung mga samples. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video. Alright, so this is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Perfect weather today to shoot a video. Oh my god, the stability on this is crazy. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh shoot, I'm walking right now and just holding this in my hand, handheld. Pero grabe yung stability. Amazing. Damn. Alright, so let's try to zoom in. 2 times zoom. 5 times zoom. Ooh, still very clear. Look at that, guys. And then we'll go switch to the ultra wide. Still looks decent. Ganda. Ganda talaga.